Hello all. So today we are going to have the detailed question paper analysis regarding the living world. So this is the botany topic. We already know the question paper pattern. Totally we will be having 50 questions. In section A we will be having 35 questions. All the 35 should be answered. And the section B have 15 questions. So any 10 will be answered. Only the first 10 will be considered. Okay. So and you will be having a negative mark, so -1 for wrong answer. So first question, which taxonomical aid is best on the pair of contrasting characters? So the correct answer is key, option 2. This is the correct answer. And next, 1 or 2, which one of the following organisms are correctly matched with its particular name taxonomic category? Okay, so mango, which is indica, the species, this is right. Out of all, this is right. If you see cuttlefish, mollusca is a phylum, so this is wrong. Humans, primata is an order. So housefly, musca is an order. Musca is a genus. So the correct answer is mango. So which of the following is defining feature of living beings? So the defining feature of living being is consciousness, growth, reproduction, movement are just a normal characteristic features, not the defining characteristic features. Isolated metabolic reaction in vitro are, this is very important question, neither living nor non-living. Okay, so to answer this question, let me explain you. For example, the biological reaction will happen in a test tube. So you can't call the test tube as a living thing, but the reaction as a living reaction. So that's why it is neither living nor non-living. So the answer is 4. So 105. Dash are useful in providing the information about the description of names of species. For identification of names of species in a particular area. For identification of names of species in a particular area is manual. So you have to find out the odd one out. So the taxon is the odd one out, right? So because remaining all will comes under one set. And next question, systematics deal with, option 3 is correct, systematics arrangement of organisms. 108, which one of the following is considered as multicellular? Fungi is considered as a multicellular loose tissue. This is given in biological classification. Genus is group of related species. Option 1 is correct. In Mangifera indica Lin, the term Lin represents the abbreviated name of author. So option 2 is correct. The name of author Linnaeus. What is lead? So lead is nothing but each statement in character, we call it as lead. So the first one is correct. So pair of contrasting characters, we call it as couplet. So option 1 is appropriate. Identify that following the taxonomic categories that has real existence. Species has real existence, right? Metabolic reactions involves. So metabolic reactions is none other than all the chemical reactions which occurs inside the living organisms. Option 4 is correct. Coming to the family and order of Triticum aestivum, which is wheat. So Poaceae is the family, Poales is the order. Option 2 is correct. Next, 115, you have to fill these blanks. Genus is Homo, and coming to the class is Mammalia, and here the family is Poaceae. Here the phylum or division will be Angiospermae. So which one is matching is option 3. A is Homo and D is Angiospermae. 116, Solanaceae is a single family with related genera, right? Option 1 is correct. 117, ICBN stands for International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. 117 is correct. The group of organisms belonging to one or more related orders are assigned to. So one of more related orders is class. Same class. So with on basis of few similar characters. Option 2 is correct. Category is a rank in hierarchy. We can't use the word category. We can't use category interchangeably with taxon. So the option 1 is correct. So a category is nothing but species, genus, these things we call it as category. Mammalia, angiospermae, these things we call it as taxon. Which of the following categories is most inclusive in the number of organisms? So most inclusive is kingdom. More number of organisms will be there under the kingdom. Next, dash is the process by which anything is grouped into a convenient category based on easily observable characters. The correct answer is classification. Option 2 is correct. From species to kingdom, the number of common characters among organisms goes on. Species to kingdom goes on decreasing. Option 3 is correct. 123. Which of the following represent taxa at same level? So taxa at same level will be Panthera, Solanum, Felis. All the three are genus. Datura is the genus, Felidae is the family, Polynomials is the order. So this is not the correct one. Solanaceae is family, Carnivora is the order, Chordata is the phylum. This is also not correct. Mammalia is the class, Monocotyledone is the, this is also the class, Angiospermae is the division part. So next, most of the bacteria obtain their nutrition from. So most of the bacteria are the heterotrophic bacteria. In that also, decomposing bacteria are huge in number. So the correct answer is 3, dead and decaying matter. The number of obligate categories that will always used in taxonomical hierarchy is 7. So, right. Very good. So, the correct answer is 1. Next, it is 7. So, because kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species, which contain the actual account of habit and distribution of plants. The actual account of habit and distribution of plants in a particular area is flora. Option 4 is correct. 127. Which of the following represents the hierarchical arrangement of taxonomic categories in an ascending order? So the correct answer is species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom. Option 4 is correct. This is in increasing order. Next, unicellular organisms multiply by cell division. Option 3 is correct. Taxonomic hierarchy was introduced by Carolus Linnaeus. Option 3 is correct. In which book binomial nomenclature was issued by Carolus Linnaeus? Systema Naturae, in which animal names are included. Option 2 is correct. The immense biological diversity is a result of organic evolution. Option 1 is correct. This is actually given by Charles Darwin. Next, 132. Which of the following is obligate categories that has maximum number of common or similar characters? Option 1 is correct. Species. In binomial nomenclature proposed by Carolus Linnaeus, every organism has one scientific or biological name with 2 words, genus and species. Option 4 is correct. Information about one taxon is called monograph. Option 3 is correct. A population of a similar organisms which are capable of interbreed to produce a fertile offspring is species. Option 1 is correct. All plants are included in kingdom Plantae. Option 4 is correct. So here remember, the kingdom is the category. Plantae is the taxon. A famous botanical garden which is known as Royal Botanical Garden. It is located in Kew, England. Option 2 is correct. The special techniques for collection and preservation of specimens are required in herbaria and museums. Option 2 is correct. Which of the following is not applicable to the living organisms? The correct answer is self-replicating and non-regulative. Those are regulative interactive system. Solanum and Panthera are genus and genus. Option 2 is correct. In the place of phylum, which of the following taxa used by the botanist? Division. Option 2 is correct. Which is the basic of taxonomy? Which are basic of taxonomy? Characterization, identification, classification, nomenclature. All of the above. Most of the botanical names are drawn from the following language. Latin. Option 3 is correct. Growth and reproduction are mutually inclusive events for unicellular organisms. Option 1 is correct. Which of the following statements correct regarding the nomenclature? So regarding the nomenclature is correct. So generic name always begins with capital, whereas specific name is small letter, right? So it has to be printed in italics, right? Scientific name which is typed or handwritten should be underlined. All are correct. The taxonomic categories constitute taxonomic hierarchy, option 4. The collection of living plants for reference and plant species is them grown for identification purpose will represent. The collection of living plants for reference and plant species in them are grown for identification purpose, that is 2. Botanical gardens. And next, animals in the zoological parks are kept in conditions similar to natural habitats. Option 3 is correct. A place where collection of dried, pressed and plant specimens mounted on the paper is kept systematically in herbaria. Option 1 is correct. So growth, reproduction, responding to stimuli, metabolism, which of the following are generally the characteristics of life? All are characteristics of life. Some are defining characteristic feature, except growth, remaining all are defining characteristic feature, but all will comes under general characters of life. So these are all the questions regarding the living world. Next, we'll see the zoology part in the next coming video. Thank you very much.